Today we're learning how to use Bun with Next.js. Should you be using this shiny new tool to run your applications? Well, it's time to try it and see if you should do it, or if you should wait for it to be more stable. Quick reminder that this video is filmed in September of 2023. Things change fast, and make sure to check the documentation to keep informed, as things here will be updated pretty quickly. So what exactly needs to change to make Next.js work with Bun? We'll have to keep in mind that Bun is not a single monolith. It's a full suite of tools that replace Node.js, NPM, and to some extent Webpack. I raise my hats off to Jared Sumner for making all of this work in a cohesive package. Let's see what tooling it can replace in our Next.js stack. When creating a project, we would use either npx, yarn, or pnpm create next app. Now we can use Gb&x create next app, but at the time of writing this, it wasn't working, but I'm sure it will be fixed shortly. To install dependencies, we had to use also npm yarn or pnpm, but now we can use bun install. But then comes the tricky part. Bun is first and foremost a runtime. Next.js so far is compatible with two runtimes, the Node.js serverless runtime and the Edge runtime. These are the two options if you host on Vercel. There are no signs so far that Vercel is offering Bun as a runtime on their serverless and Edge offerings. But this could change pretty quickly, but even then, reaching stability will take months or even years. So to use the Bun runtime in your Next.js application, you could decide to manage your own infrastructure or run a bare metal server, but that would be a little bit overkill for this kind of video. And lastly, we have Bun as a bundler or as a packager. Here, this will be out of the question to swap out in Next.js, simply because the build system is highly integrated and is carefully managed from within the framework. This could be an option in the future, but considering Vercel is investing a lot of money into building SWC and TurboPack, with the goal of ultimately replacing Webpack, I don't see this happening in the near future with Bun. With all this in mind, here is what I had to do to make my Next.js app work with Bun. I started by creating an app with npx, since I could not get Gb&x working, and I accepted all the default and proceeded to enter the directory. I removed the node modules that were installed with npm, and I ran the bun install command. This created automatically a bun lock.b file, which is the equivalent of the package.json. So I deleted that old package.json file, and I tried the dev server with bun dev. So far so good. Everything works like a charm. The last step is hosting. I went and gave it a try on Vercel, since they have released support for zero-config bun installs. The CLI here is showing me some outdated helper text, but I think this is fixed in the next version of the Vercel CLI not released yet. Going to the deployment page gave me logs clearly showing Bun as the package manager, so this is an awesome job. And lastly, after the build I had everything working nicely, so there you have it. This was a first look at using Bun with Next.js. I'm sure this will evolve as a great tool that we're going to use with a lot of projects. So please subscribe for more videos as we're going to be exploring more of Next.js and Bun in the future.